Hey, Steve again from Sparky's Garage. We got the 5-liter Mustang out. Got it all dusted off and clean. We're getting ready to get the new tires put on. Got these wheels cleaned up as best I can. I'm gonna leave the caps off of it right now. So I got a little downtime before I go to the tire shop, so I'm wiping down the interior of this car. But you gotta check this out. So this window doesn't work right now. It doesn't go up or down. Motor makes noise. Couldn't really figure out what's going on, but you can kind of see right here. It looks like there's a yellow jacket nest or bee's nest. So I got in here and I took apart the rear speaker area, pulled out the switch, pulled out this like inspection cover to get to the motor. And man, check this out. I don't know if my camera can see it, but look how big this bee's nest is. It's literally filled from the top all the way down. Complete honeycomb. There's a whole bee's nest in there. Fun part is trying to figure out how to get it out. It's been dead, gone for a long time. Actually, look right here. You can see it's literally filled up that hole right there. Let me see if I can get my finger in here. Yep. It's either a wasp nest or I don't know what it is. It's big, whatever it is, because you can see it's just filled down there. But yeah, fun times. I'm pretty sure it's not hacked it, so you would see bees coming out, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna try to fish this out real quick. I don't know, hard to hear, but I'm vacuuming out stuff. Look at just pulling chunks of this comb out. There's more down there. Crazy. It's like got my hand up here. Just look at this thing. Here's one part of it. That thing is massive. Look at that, I have a little egg. Sticking my hand up here again. Oh my gosh. This thing is massive. I'm trying to get it out in big chunks. But it's definitely broken loose. Holy smokes. Okay, here comes a good chunk of it. Nope. Dang it. Broke it. Let me see if I can get my hand up there again. I mean, I could feel it. It's just so big. Trying to get it out. Oh. Dang. Holy smokes. There's more. Man, this thing is big. All right, that bee's nest is out of there. Good thing, bad thing, window still doesn't work. So either the previous owner probably tried to make the window work and end up stripping the gear on it. But at least that nasty thing is out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum that up, put the rear seat back in, finish wiping down the interior, and then we're off to get some tires. Okay, we're driving the 5-liter. This thing is so bouncy. You can see it with the shifter. The tires are so flat spotted, and then a couple of the valve stems are rotted off almost. So I just air the heck out of the tires, and hopefully it makes it all the way to Walmart without going completely flat. But yeah, we're off to Walmart Tire Center. They have the cheapest tires in town. We're gonna pick up some Uniroyals. We made the drive down to get the tires. It was very sketchy, tons of flat spots. It was a very rough ride, but yeah, 5.0 is here. So we're getting tires put on, and after that we're gonna go get an oil change. So I'm at Walmart Tire Center. They're getting ready to do the tires on the car, but they just offered me to do a headlight restoration. So I said yes. So let's see what they're gonna do. So here is what the headlights look like now. Now, I told them probably they're not going to get this out because it's inside. Same with this one. They probably won't get that out because it's inside. But they said they can fix these and fix this one. And he said around this edge he's going to have to do it by hand. But basically it's a 3-stage sanding and buffing. So what exactly are we going to be doing?
So we got 3 different grits of sandpaper here.
Okay. Oh, it's 3M product.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm actually going to start with washing your headlights. That's going to be the biggest thing. We're going to mask everything off. I don't want to damage your paint.
Yep.
The ones I'm not going to touch is your corners here because that is cracked.
Okay.
And they do look pretty fresh. But I'm going to start.
Wow.
5 different grits. So I
start going all the way, working all the way into something super fine.
I got 500, and then I'm going to go to 800, and then I actually wet sand my last with 3000.
Yep.
I give about 5 minutes in between each coat, let it sit and everything, wash it off. And then I'm going to do 2 stages of clear coat. So I'll run stage clear coat all the way across.
Wow.
Let that sit 5-10 minutes, run it again. Okay. And then you don't want to wash the car for like 24 hours, let it really cure. It's fine if it gets rained on, you just want the direct pressure on the headlights as well.
Okay.
So yeah, like you saw with the car in there, they'll pretty much come out brand new.
Okay. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you real quick a little photo of before and after of basically a car. So here's a picture he showed me of the headlight restoration. So that car came in like that, and then it left like that after all that sanding. So yeah, this is crazy, but we'll see what Walmart has to offer. We're back in the shop. Look how yellow that one is. And look how clear that one is. Huge difference. Check this out. Look at the difference of that versus what it used to be. Huge 9-day difference. Holy smokes. Well, we're still at Walmart, and while we're here, we're gonna have them do an oil change. I didn't realize they had Motorcraft oil, which is a bonus, 10W30, and then they're out of the Motorcraft filter, so we're gonna settle with the Fram one. But yeah, oil change is next after they finish the tires and the headlights. Now he's putting on the final little clear coat sealer. But look at the difference in the headlights. Huge difference. Wow. All right, we got the 5-liter Mustang home, back from Walmart. It was running a little rough. Check this out. Vacuum line has fully collapsed. It's flat. Over here, it's fine. Look at that. Totally gone. That vacuum line is completely flattened out, collapsed. So I gotta change that. Yeah, it was running a little rough on the ride home, but we made it back. That wraps up our trip from Walmart. That was an awesome experience. Huge shout out to Jacob at the Tire and Loop Center. I believe he's the manager. He definitely went above and beyond and definitely helped out this car. He, like you saw, he buffed out all those headlights. I mean, it looks so much better than being completely yellowed. Went on and put some tires on. We just did stock size tires, nothing fancy. And then now the next thing to do is fix that vacuum line that was totally collapsed. I believe it goes down into like the evap canister, so I'm gonna have to chase that and figure that out. So hope you like this video. Make sure you like it, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.